Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tuna salad the black way. This unique recipe brings a depth of flavor you won't find in traditional versions. We'll explore the special ingredients and techniques that create its rich, savory profile. Get ready to elevate your tuna salad game with this distinct and delicious approach. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need good quality canned tuna, a creamy mayonnaise, and fresh, crisp vegetables like celery, onions, and bell peppers. The key to the black way is also in our unique spice blend. Chop your vegetables finely to ensure a consistent texture throughout the salad. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great recipes. On another note, while your delicious tuna salad chills, why not relax with a good book? The new Kindle Paperwhite lets you read anywhere, anytime. Check the description below for the link and other fantastic deals. Now let's get back to the video. Now it's time to bring everything together. In a large bowl, combine your flaked tuna, chopped vegetables, and mayonnaise. Gently fold in our special black way seasoning blend, ensuring all ingredients are well coated. This allows the flavors to truly meld. For best results, chill your tuna salad for at least 30 minutes before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.